Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look how slimy my okra stew is. Look at that. Okra stew slash okra soup. Guys, I'm so impressed with the result. Yes, come on in. I'm so happy to show you my recipe. Let's get started, guys. I have my smoked turkey and also my tripe already on the cooker, and later I'm going to add my lamb and yeah, my mackerel. So whilst the meat is on the cooker and it's not ready yet, let's get straight to the other part and prepare our okra for the stew. So this is how I do it. Yeah, it's what everybody does. Like you cut the top and the down, the head and the tail. Yeah, this okra is not that good. It's not in good shape, as you can see. When you buy okra and then you try to break it and it's not breaking, it means the okra is not good at all. It means the sliminess is not proper. The sliminess is not 100%. But when you buy okra and then you break it and then it breaks so fast, it breaks like that, it breaks so instantly, it says that the okra is good, the okra is in good shape. So this okra is not good. As you can see, it's still on it. It cannot break like so fast. It's not breaking. So this type of okra is not good. Yeah. So whilst we are still making the okra, let's attend to our meat and season it. Yeah, so I've seasoned the meat and then you add the lamb and the fish at this point. You're adding some black pepper powder, a bit of water, and finally salt to taste. We're going to cover it up and wait till it's ready for it to be used in our okra stew or soup. So we are done preparing our okra. It's ready, it's cleaned up, and yes, it's time for us to also add some garden eggs. This is my recipe, guys, and I know a lot of people also do this. They add garden eggs to their okra stew or soup. This is what I grew up eating in my home, hence my recipe. So I'm not adding too much garden eggs. I think yeah, I have 4 or 5. I have 5 garden eggs that I'm using in this recipe. So yeah, so we are using the grater to grate all the okra and also the garden eggs. So guys, we're going to keep on repeating ourselves till we are done with the okra and also the garden eggs. Very soon it should be ready. This is not an easy job, guys. Yeah, as you can see, the okra is not good at all. It's not good. I didn't get the best okra from the market, but I'm still going to do the okra stew or soup anyway. So we are done, and this is what we have here. We are going also on ahead to grate our garden eggs. So you can choose to blend these two vegetables together. You can also choose to chop them up together, or you can choose to grate them together like I'm doing. I'm grating them now. Previously, I have blended them together, I have chopped them up together, and now I'm grating them together. We are all done with the garden eggs, and it's time for us to guys to add them together because we are going to cook them together. So let's attend to our meat and it's ready. You don't have to cook it like you don't have to overcook the meat. So it's ready and you're going to transfer the meat into a nice clean bowl and then we start making our okra stew slash okra soup. Guys, this the stock is so amazing. It tastes so good. So I'm not throwing the stock away. Not now, not at all, because I can't believe it. The stock is so tasty. It's so like the aroma is so good. So we are going to use it, guys. That's why I've placed that on the side. As you saw it, I've transferred the stock in the nice bowl and it's there. It's waiting. I'm going to use it, guys. So we're going to add some onions, some shallots onto our okra and garden eggs and allow it to cook together. This okra stew slash okra soup is going to be so amazing because already the stock says it all. The stock says it all. So as I said, I'm going to use the stock in this stew or soup, guys. Yeah, we're going to blend some pepper, some aniseed, some cloves, and also some green of Salem, some garlic as well. Yes, to start the base of our stew. So to maintain the sliminess, you can add some baking soda or saltpeter. In our local dialect, ekong, to maintain the sliminess. Yes, can't you see this okra stew is so slimy already? This time I'm not looking for sliminess, guys. So after a short time, you just take it from the cooker and put it on the side because when it overcooks, you lose the sliminess, the natural sliminess. Yeah, so now we are making our stew. I'm using palm oil. When the palm oil is ready, we are adding our beef and also our momone, salted fish. So guys, yeah, our vegetables are ready. I'm using shallot and fresh tomatoes. I'm doing this okra stew the local way, like the local way, guys, the local way. The house smells so good already. Combining momone and beef. What else, guys? What else? Hmm, I can't stand it. So we've added our shallot and now we are adding our fresh tomatoes. I cannot stand it. The aroma. Hey, when this stew drops on the ground, guys, the earth is going to shake. It's going to shake. Yeah, now I'm adding the stock. The stock too is something else. Amazing, amazing sauce we have here now, guys. The sauce is amazing. Look at this. I'm going to enjoy. Yeah, because guys, I'm so happy and even I'm one step ahead. I'm now putting in my blended garlic, aniseed, cloves, grain of Salem, and some ginger. Yes, and you guys, just imagine all these ingredients together. What do you get? Heaven. I'm adding my meat as well. Because I want the stew, I want this sauce to to penetrate my meat. I want the meat to absorb it. And now, guys, I couldn't wait any longer because the stew, the way the sauce is, the aroma is too good. I've put in my okra now. So, guys, before you put in your okra, the cooker should be off already. It should be off so that you don't lose your sliming. You can as well wait till the water goes down, like you dry out the water more before you add your okra. It all depends on you how you like your okra stew or soup. But guys, I couldn't wait. My mouth is already watery and I couldn't just wait till the water dries out. I hope you are inspired. Thanks for watching and thanks for liking, sharing, commenting, and also subscribing to this channel. I love you all. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed and eat healthy food. Bye bye.